A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to recapitulate what we have studied in our life class. Okay, so we studied about the traditions of our country, and we came to know that in India there are different traditions which is followed by different states. And then we talked about one of the tradition which is prevailing since last many years, and that is one of the puppet shows. So here the lesson is puppet tradition in India. Why we read this lesson? So that you can come to know about the art and the culture of our country. Then the main concept of reading this very story is to know, to make you understand that how India is rich in cultural heritage. Then we come to know that in Rajasthan this is the main shows which were organized. And then we came to know that it was not only popular in Rajasthan, but then we came to know that even in Karnataka or in West Bengal the puppet show was very famous once upon a time. But now what happened? The things are totally changed. The children are not interested to go to the theatre to see the puppet show. We don't get the time to go somewhere out in order to entertain ourselves. So we have a wonderful mode of entertainment in our pocket, and that is the mobile. And with the help of the mobile, what we are doing? We are playing different sorts of video games and all those things. But there was a time when these facilities were not there, like mobile sets were not there. At that very time, we were being taken by our family members to see what is there in our India, what are the traditions which were prevailing in our country. So in that lesson we read that puppet shows are of 4 different types. With the help of the flow chart, I just try to recapitulate what we have done in our lesson. So we read about 4 different sorts of puppet show. The first one is known as the string puppet. And the time when we read about the string puppet, we came to know that the puppets which are made up of either wood, clay, cloth, these particular puppets are attached with the string. And then what happened? The strings are not only attached on the head of the puppet, rather it was attached to the various part of the body of the puppet, with which the puppet were being made to dance. As soon as the puppeteer he pulled one of the string, finally the movement of the hand, the movement of the neck, and finally the puppet starts dancing. Okay, so this is the string puppet, and this very string puppet is very popular in Rajasthan and in Karnataka. And this puppet is in the other word, it is also known as marionettes. Okay, so this is what we read about the string puppet. Now coming to the next one was our shadow puppet. So here the shadow puppet, it is like the paper cutouts, and it is just like the cutout of a paper, but actually it is made up of leather. And then what happened? This very leather is been pressed, which is pressed against the cloth, against the white cloth, or it can be any of the cloth. And then a light was flashed on it, and as soon as the light was flashed on it, finally the shadow is there. And with the help of the shadow, the whole program was organized by the puppeteer. Then coming to the third one, and here in this third one we came to know about the glove puppet. As the word glove itself suggests, there's something which we wear in our gloves. So it is fit on the hands, and these are in the other words known as hand puppet. Like here the string puppet is known as marionettes. In the same manner, the glove puppet is also known as hand puppet. And what they do, they take the help of their finger. Like whenever there is no electricity, what we do? We make some shadows by using our fingers in this manner, and then the shadow falls on the other side of the wall, and then we play like that. I remember when I was of your age, whenever the electricity was not there, we used to play in that manner. So this is another type of puppet show which was organized, and that puppet show is known as glove puppet, which is been made with the or the puppet shed is been made with the help of the finger, and then the finger movement is there. And the last one is our rod puppet. This is very famous in West Bengal. This I forgot to write. This is famous in West Bengal, and you can see that this rod puppet, like we are having the glove puppet, in the same manner the rod this puppet is just like the glove puppet, but here we are having the puppet which is been connected with the rods. And if you remember the time when I was conducting the live class, I have shown you one of the picture of the puppet in which the puppet was fit with the long rods, and with the help of the rod the puppeteer made the puppet to dance according to the situation of the play. So here, like it has a long rod and it is used to control the puppet, makes the facial expressions, make the puppet to dance, sometimes making the jewelry and make the puppet to dance in that manner. So these are overall we come to know that there are 4 different kinds of puppet shows which were organized in our country, but slowly as the television and the mobiles age is there, that is why these shows are not very popular in today's time. Okay, so what we read today the rich cultural heritage of India. Okay, so write down this in your copy.